It's so cold.
It's freezing. It's snowing.
Derek had to clean the solar panels off this morning.
First time, 2 years.
Oh, this doesn't happen here. Usually it melts. It's a new year. It's very exciting. We're so done with 2018. It is behind us. We can move forward with our lives.
Oh yeah.
Do you have any New Year's goals?
Smash 2019.
It's not a very specific goal.
I know. Well, I don't. Yeah, I gotta write them out.
We were talking about this the other day about how we're, like, in the past a lot of times we would just write very vague goals. But then we were talking about how instead of making like such a defined end goal, to make smaller goals that will help you reach that goal, and then do those things every day, which gives you like a faith in that it's going to come true because you're taking actionable steps towards that goal.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
So today we're going to Tucson to our friend Gwen and John's house. You guys have met Gwen so many times. I don't know if John's ever been on the vlog, but we're just gonna chill. Me and Gwen are gonna try and make gluten-free donuts because recently she had to go gluten-free. So we're gonna try and make donuts out of chickpea flour, chickpeas, and I think I'm gonna bring some buckwheat flour too. We're just gonna try and make like a high protein, gluten-free, vegan, healthy donut. So hopefully it works out. This is not good. Now what's gonna happen to the furniture? So I'm gonna bring these potatoes that I pre-cooked and steamed in the Instant Pot. I just put paprika, garlic powder, and then some of this on there. But I'm just going to bring this with us so that we have something healthy to eat. And we're not just eating donuts. And then while we're gone, I have these beans that I soaked yesterday. So what I've been doing recently is soaking my beans overnight. And these are just some dried chili peppers I got from the farmer's market. The beans cook so much better when you soak them for a long time. They take half the amount of time, and I really like my beans well cooked. If they're not well cooked, I just can't eat them. So I'm gonna put these in the Instant Pot while we're gone, and then we'll be able to have beans and potatoes for dinner.
Snowing again. Living in a winter wonderland.
Oh boy.
So some big news for...
Look at these kids. A sled through the sand with a four-wheeler. Just because it's
This is how they do.
Just because it snowed. Sand sledding in the desert.
Sand sledding in Arizona.
I mean, there is snow, but it's all kind of melted by now.
Anyways, so what we're going to be doing in 2019, so obviously Hannah's going to be posting a lot more videos on this channel, and we're going to start a podcast. Still not entirely sure on the name, but it's going to be on the Howlets channel, so we might just call it the Howlets podcast. But we've been throwing around some ideas for certain skits and kind of make it more of a show rather than us just bantering and doing weird stuff. But we want to make it really interactive and a lot of fun, and we're really excited for it. So I've got all the gear to do it.
And any topics that you guys want us to talk about.
Yeah, any topics or any questions.
Leave a comment below.
Yes.
We're gonna try and do them once a week, and then our goal for social media is to post. I'm gonna post on this channel every 3 days because it's way more manageable, and then we're gonna do a podcast once a week.
Yes, and that's what we're gonna do. I'm also doing the clear skin diet, so if any of you guys follow Nina and Randa, they basically promote what we promote, except
It's a little more extreme.
No overts, no soy, obviously like no tahini, no nuts, no seeds or anything like that, no avocado. So I'm gonna do that for at least a few months and see if that completely clears my skin, because it's gotten a lot better, but it might get even more clear. So we're gonna try it out for at least a few months and see how she goes.
You're gonna try it out, not me.
I'm gonna try it out, yeah.
I've done no overt fats. I can't live like that. I just can't. like my avocado and my tahini. Have fun, babe. Eating potatoes. Dogs are my best friends. What are you guys watching?
Bird Box.
Bird Box. This movie's creepy. It's like one of those things that you'd think like, what if it came true? And like,
Disclosure, bro.
I was just gonna say that.
Oh my god.
So we're just kind of winging the Minimalist Baker gluten-free donuts. We're gonna make our own icing with powdered sugar and then put some lemon zest and lemon and West soy, right? We're just gonna whisk it together.
Whisk it.
Gwen is filming.
Yeah, so don't judge me if this is bad.
Don't judge me.
Did we zest it up yet?
I put zest in it.
Oh my god, this is gonna be so bomb, you guys.
Yeah, but should we put more sugar in it? I feel like it should be thicker.
It could be a little thicker. Look at these freaking donuts. Oh my god, yeah. I wonder if the muffins are gonna be good.
Let's see.
Probably. Coco, do you like vegan donuts? Oh yeah. That tastes pretty good. Let me think. No, I feel like it needs like a little bit more lemon. I don't know. What do I know? Do you? Oh, did you use coconut milk too? Both
I
of
used
them?
soy milk.
Oh, I thought you opened this.
I did, but
You're like, I did, but no.
I think it needs to be thicker though.
We need to have one of the guys try it. I feel like they know. John, come here. John knows icing and sugar and junk food. This task.
See if the icing tastes good.
Is this good icing? Yes or no?
Try it. Just like dip your finger in it.
It's the one, like, that's the 2 ingredients one.
Yeah, it's good.
Is it icing worthy? Does it need something? What does it need? Tell us. Tell us.
I think it's good.
Is it? I would have just drizzled.
Ooh.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That is some pro shit.
It's like dripping on me. Okay, we need to put it on something.
Okay, wait.
I feel like
No,
this
I
needs to
didn't.
be thicker though.
No, that looks exactly how like a donut should look.
Leave it.
See, look how thick it is now.
Let me try it first. I'll tell you what you need.
I'm taking this way too serious. What do you think, babe? Does it taste different from the first time?
That's better.
You did it upside down
I
though.
know. I did it on purpose.
On purpose?
Oh.
Oh,
watch out for the
my god.
Watch out for the
Oh
chip.
my god.
We need to like present this well. We're on
Wait.
camera right now.
We could start a donut shop.
You know my
What's up, bro?
oh my god.
Look at
No,
that
that-
donut.
this,
That-
this is like
that is, like-
absolute
That's the way to
perfection.
go. Do it
That's
upside
professional.
down.
Oh my god, John.
Do
It's
it
all on the
upside
flick of the
down.
wrist.
Don't get me wrong, vegan snacks, they're strong.
want my chocolate ones
Ethnicity poses
Come.
That's pretty good. I give it an 8.
An 8? Oh my god. Lucy. An 8? Come on.
my grandmother.
It's so cold here. This is not why I moved to Arizona, I'll tell you. I just wanted to close out the vlog today. Those donuts that we made turned out so good. We just used the Minimalist Baker's recipe and we changed a bunch of stuff because we didn't have applesauce, so we subbed pumpkin puree for it, and we used like buckwheat flour and chickpea flour, and they turned out really good. So if you guys need a healthy, gluten-free, vegan donut recipe, I'll leave the link to it below, and I'm sure you could sub a bunch of different things and it would still turn out amazing. But let me know what you guys want to see on this channel. Like I said, I'm going to be posting every 3 days in 2019. That is my goal that I'm going to stick to. I just am. But I need topics. I was thinking of doing like a cleaning routine because I've actually gotten a lot of requests for that, and some other type of routine videos, and then just doing vlogs and like what I eat in a day and showing you guys my workouts. If you want to see my workout schedule or anything like that, I don't know, just let me know what you want to see in the comments. We're also having 25% off all of our books right now until the 6th. So if you've wanted to get any of our books, they're on sale right now. And we're also going to be doing a Lean and Clean challenge the first Monday of every month together in the group, because a lot of people just really want support in that type of environment to keep themselves on track. So the first Monday of every month, if you're on our email list, we'll be sending out an email and we're gonna be doing the 14 days together. That'll be fun. Yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys had a fabulous new year and you're starting the year off right. Make sure to like this video if you liked it. It really helps my channel out, and subscribe. Turn on the notifications so you don't miss any videos from me, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.